Bank of America credit card for beginners. So if you want to choose a credit card for yourself and you have a Bank of America account, you are a beginner. First of all, there is no such thing as a beginner. The type of credit card that you choose depends upon the type of income that you make. So even if you're a beginner but you make lots of money, you can choose the most advanced credit card that offers you the most services. To hop onto it, go to Bank of America website, go to credit cards and go to shop all credit cards. I'd recommend that you read all of these instructions for each of these credit cards, first of all yourself, and then only apply for a certain type of credit card that they offer. So you have got customized cash rewards, you have got unlimited cash rewards, or Bank of America card, something like that, and then travel rewards and other options as such. Once you select a certain one, just click on the apply now option. Then once you click on the apply now option, whether you are a beginner or does not matter, go to the website, fill out the form and all the documents that they require. The type of credit card that you choose will also vary the type of document that you will need to submit, and then just click the continue option to follow the on-screen instructions. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.